Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Kriyya Hair, and I'm going to be showing you this gorgeous unit they sent over. This is their Balayage Body Wave 13x4 lace front wig. This one is in the length 24 inches, and the density on this is 150%, and this is what the unit looks like straight out of the box. Then it does come with your standard cap construction of 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And this is also an average cap size. Now I did go ahead and wash this unit off of camera, and this is what the unit looks like. It still has a little bit of a wave, but the waves are definitely not as defined as they were if you were to wear this straight out of the box. Now I am going to show you guys what the hairline and the parting space looks like. I did go in and pre-pluck the hairline a little bit more, even though the unit does come pre-plucked. And then with this parting space, you get more parting in the middle, and then it gradually shortens on the side. I also noticed that on the side of the lace where the parting is, it definitely is more wider than the rest of the parting space on this unit. I'm going to end up cutting some of the lace off by the size of my ear. I did not have to cut into the frontal too much. It was literally just a little bit because I want this to meet up correctly on top of my ear versus over my ear. So I'm also going to put some wax around the hairline and just kind of push that back with my hot comb just to kind of get any hairs out of the way. And then I am going to work on cutting this lace. Now this lace, even though it is a soft lace, I did notice that it was a little bit lighter, and it's not that super thin, like very thin lace, but it's thin enough to where you're not gonna have any issues with melting it down. However, I did have to go in with my caramel lace tint from the company Taylor Crowns, just so that it can match more to my skin tone, because if not, it was going to be a bit too light. You can wear this unit glueless. If you were to sew an elastic band on, I think that you would have no problems with this laying down and still looking good. However, for today, I am gonna go in with my olive oil fix-it hole spray, and I'm just going to spray a little bit around the hairline and then use the blow dryer to speed up the process. I'm also going to put on my melt band. That way I don't have to worry about my ear tabs popping up. So when I'm styling the hair, it can melt into place all of the way. Of course, I do want to get the most usage out of the parting space, so I am going to part this in the middle. I'm also going to put some wax at the top so that I can press this down and get it nice and sleek. Now with this frontal area, it is not a lot of density, so you are not going to have to worry about this looking lumpy or having any issues with getting this to lay down very flat. You guys can see how nice and full this unit is looking. And at first I was going to go for a straight sleek look, but then I was like, no, I kind of want to go for a nice fall glam body wave type of look. So I am going to take my wand curler and proceed to put those curls in. I am using the barrel that I always like to use. It's not the biggest barrel in the bag, I believe, but it's pretty big. Of course, if you wanted something more defined, you can always go in with the smaller one. I just don't have the patience for the smaller one, so this definitely gets the job done. Of course, all of the products that I am using in today's video can be found down below in the description area. Now that the curls are all done up and looking good, I'm just going to proceed to take this band off. And as you guys can see, that hairline is looking good. Yes, that's what we love to see. And then I am going to end up pulling out just a little bit of hairs on the side. I am not going to do super heavy baby hairs. I want these to look as natural as possible. So the lighter, the better. And then I am using that same adhesive that I used to spray the lace down. I'm using that to swoop these into place. Taking my Ruby Kisses powder, I am going to end up placing some of that into the parting space area, and then also a little bit around the hairline. I did notice still a little bit of lighter pieces because I did not go heavy on the tint spray when I sprayed it on. I only did like one coat, and then I'm just using this powder brush that I had some bronzer on still to kind of brush away any excess powder. Now right here, I am using my Sleek and Shine serum to fluff out this hair. Now, the ends of this hair were a bit dry even before I curled it, so I am really focusing on putting that serum towards the ends, and I am being very careful when I am fluffing up this hair. After I fix up that one piece in the front, guys, this is the final look of this hair. This is definitely giving off fall glam body wave vibes. It looks so pretty and so good. This color is perfect. It is perfect for fall time. It is greatly blended, especially for everyday wear. Once again, I did notice some dryness and frizziness towards the ends of this hair. I also did get some light shedding. Now, as far as the hairline goes, the hairline already comes pre-plucked. I just went in and did a little bit more customization, but I feel like it looked good straight out of the pack. And then the density on this is really nice and full. Guys, let me know what you think about this look. Is it giving glam? If you are interested, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.